And from Washington, we want to focus back here at home and what this directly means for Michiganders.
That's right. And as you can see with this map, Michigan is one of 10 states where abortion rights are uncertain. And it's all because of a law passed all the way back in 1931. Grant Herms is live tonight to help sort it all out for us. Grant.
Kimberly, Jason, that 1931 law is on hold right now because of a court order. But no matter which side of this very divisive issue someone falls on, it's a landmark case, especially for those who study the law. 50 years of precedent that was in place until this morning that propped up a lot of other cases and a legal theory that many thought to be set in stone.
The U.S. Supreme Court decision putting a focus on the Supreme Court in Michigan, which has yet to take up a challenge to the state's 1931 abortion ban. Legal scholars like Central Michigan's Professor Kyla Stepp watching closely.
Theoretically, they could move very quickly. We could see something within a few weeks.
Scholars are also carefully watching the ripple effect this ruling could have, particularly on the issues of gay marriage, sodomy, and contraception. Michigan still has bans on gay marriage and sodomy that were overturned partly based on Roe. While the state doesn't have a ban on contraception, it would leave it up to the courts to decide. Stepp says the Dobbs ruling is also a break with long-held legal principles about precedent she teaches to students, and says she'll be closely watching what happens next.
From a constitutional law standpoint,
And as we look forward here, Stepp says that there isn't really a timeline for when the state Supreme Court would make this ruling. She said it's up to them whether they want to keep with the arguments they have now or hear oral arguments, Kimberly, which is what the governor asked for today in her motion urging the state Supreme Court to act immediately.
Grant, before you go, there's also a movement on a petition that would make abortion a constitutional amendment. Where does that stand, and what might that mean from a legal standpoint?
Well, from a legal standpoint right now, that is still in the petition stages. Those folks are gathering signatures to put abortion in the Michigan Constitution, which would then overrule that 1931 law no matter what happens to it at the state Supreme Court. The signatures for that are due July 11th. It would then go on the ballot in November. Sides here have vowed to fight for and against that, so there will certainly be legal challenges probably stretching into next year if that does make it on the ballot. Back to you.
Okay, Grant, thank you.